Hi, my name is Mary, and I planted some sweet potatoes in the garden bed, and I'm finna dig them today. Hi, I also had another garden bed that I had sweet potatoes in, so I'm gonna see how this batch has come out. Check and watch it as I pull them up. This is the difference between putting them in your yard and putting them in for me, putting them in the garden bed as well. And you remember earlier when I did the sweet potatoes, I told you they was coming out the ground. So these didn't show, and it could be because of the size of the garden bed that they just didn't have the room to grow. It's good to make pies. They're easier to cut sometimes when they're small. That one grew way down in the dirt. That's coming out the garden bed. And remember, these was planted the same time that I said I planted the other ones in the garden. So sometimes I like to experience things to see what it does in the garden bed. What does it do in the garden? So far, this is what I got out. That's it. Thank you for watching. So y'all can see how the sweet potatoes are looking. And I'm using my shovel to get them pulled up. So I'm gonna just kind of pull off on that vine. Wow, there's one right here. Before I can even use the shovel. Dang, it's a big one. I also pull off the ground. I want to make sure I know where I'm putting my hands at. But here they are. This coming off just the root. I hope y'all can really see how the sweet potatoes looking. So, and I didn't even dig in the ground. I just pulled them up.